welcome to our first annual talent recital. We are very excited to showcase the amazing talents of our beloved Brightons. And to our talented artists, our beautiful Brightons, from grade school, grade 1 up to grade 6. We are very, very proud of you. Nakita ko kayo on how you prepare para sa araw na ito. Excited po sila and iba po yung hype sa environment ng school noong mga nakaraang araw. To our audience, parents and visitors, thank you for supporting our students always. Let us enjoy the show and good afternoon everyone and happy Sunday po. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Brighton Talent Recital for the school year 2024-2025.
Stars. I wanna die in your arms. Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. I don't care. In a sky full of stars, I think I see you. I think I see
and creativity will undoubtedly impress us, especially today, and will impress also your parents today. Tama po ba ako, parents? Okay daw. Salamat po sa lahat na dumating ngayon, and sana po ay nag-enjoy tayong lahat. And thank you so much for always supporting us, Brighton, from teachers and admin. In behalf of them, I would like to say thank you very much for always supporting us. And mag-ingat po tayo sa ating pag-uwi. Thank you so much and congratulations sa lahat ng mga bata. Thank you po!